Check this one out. This is a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. This one here is 925 solid sterling silver. It has the diamond cuts with the diamond dust finish, as you can see right there. It's a beautiful shine to it. Now this is a handmade grill. Beautiful grill designed to fit perfectly. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is a 6 top, 6 bottom teeth. However, you can do whatever combination you want. You can do a top, a bottom, or a set. You choose how many teeth you want. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.